Imagine this. You walk into your doctor's office for a routine checkup, feeling perfectly fine. But then, your doctor looks at your results and says, your cholesterol is high. Suddenly, worry sets in. Thoughts of medication, health risks, and feeling powerless. But what if there's hope? What if nature offers a simple solution? Meet cabbage, a humble vegetable with surprising potential for heart health. If you want more surprising health tips like this, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Your heart and your loved ones will thank you. The idea that something as ordinary as cabbage water could positively impact a serious health marker like cholesterol might seem far-fetched at first glance. We are often conditioned to believe that powerful solutions must be complex, expensive, or scientifically engineered in a laboratory. The notion of a kitchen pharmacy, where simple natural ingredients can profoundly affect our health, is a concept that has been practiced for centuries, but often gets dismissed in our modern world. Yet, ancient wisdom and emerging science are beginning to converge, revealing the incredible therapeutic properties hidden within the foods we eat every day. This isn't about magic potions or miracle cures, but about understanding the biochemistry of nature and how it interacts with our bodies. Stay with me on this journey, because today we are going to pull back the curtain on this and other natural remedies that can transform your health. We'll explore how cabbage water, alongside other powerful foods and simple lifestyle adjustments, can work in harmony to help lower your harmful LDL cholesterol. More importantly, we'll see how these natural approaches can protect your precious heart and put you back in the driver's seat of your own health journey. This is about discovering safe, gentle, and sustainable ways to support your body's innate ability to heal and maintain balance. It's about arming yourself with knowledge and practical tools that empower you to make a real, lasting difference. The goal here isn't to dismiss conventional medicine, but to broaden our understanding of what constitutes effective healthcare. It's about integrating the best of both worlds, the diagnostic precision of modern science and the holistic, nurturing wisdom of nature. You don't have to choose between a pharmaceutical approach and a natural one. Often, they can work together to create a more comprehensive and personalized plan for your well-being. By learning about these natural strategies, you're not rejecting your doctor's advice, but are instead becoming a more informed and proactive partner in managing your health. This knowledge gives you a sense of agency, turning fear into focused, positive action. So, before you resign yourself to a future defined by medication and worry, take a deep breath. The path to better heart health may be simpler, more accessible, and even more delicious than you ever imagined. It starts not in a sterile clinic, but right in the heart of your home, your kitchen. Cholesterol is often misunderstood. It's not inherently the enemy, but a vital substance your body needs. Produced by the liver, it plays a critical role in keeping you alive. Cholesterol is essential for cell membranes and hormone production. It also aids in vitamin D synthesis and fat digestion. Problems arise when cholesterol levels are unbalanced, leading to health issues. Managing cholesterol effectively is key to maintaining health. Not all cholesterol is created equal. LDL is the bad cholesterol, delivering fat to your cells, but too much can clog arteries and raise heart attack risk. HDL is the good cholesterol, cleaning up excess and carrying it back to your liver. The real goal? Lower LDL, raise HDL, and keep your arteries clear. Your daily habits, what you eat and how you move, hold the key to a healthy balance. Let's explore the humble remedy of cabbage water. This tradition has been passed down through generations, especially in Eastern Europe and Asia. Cabbage water is a simple, accessible form of folk medicine. Before pharmaceuticals, people relied on garden remedies. Drinking boiled cabbage water extracts its essence. Can something so simple impact health? It's a fair question. Ancestors' wisdom was based on trial and error. Exploring cabbage water reconnects us with natural healing. Is there scientific support for cabbage water's cholesterol-lowering claims? While large-scale trials are still emerging, cabbage's components offer clues. Cabbage is rich in soluble fiber, which forms a gel in your digestive system, binding with cholesterol and bile acids, escorting them out as waste. Beyond fiber, cabbage contains sulforaphane and indole-3-carbinol, compounds that support liver function, crucial for cholesterol management. Boiling cabbage releases water-soluble nutrients into the water, creating a nutrient-rich broth. Drinking this broth provides antioxidants that support cardiovascular health. Cabbage water isn't a miracle cure, but a helper in a broader heart health strategy. Its soluble fiber aids cholesterol removal, while its compounds support liver function. By incorporating this drink, you're leveraging nature's power to support your body's balance. Ready to incorporate cabbage water into your life? It's simple and requires no special equipment. Use half a medium cabbage, rinse, and chop into chunks. Boil with 4 to 5 cups of water. Simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the cabbage, saving the nutrient-rich water. Enjoy warm, like herbal tea, with optional lemon or sea salt. Consistency is key. Drink a cup once or twice daily. It's a gentle, safe remedy, acting as a mild diuretic and digestive aid. Think of it as a daily self-care ritual supporting heart health. Cabbage water is great, but it works best as part of a team. Start with breakfast. Oats are a cholesterol-lowering powerhouse, rich in beta-glucan fiber. This fiber forms a gel, trapping cholesterol-rich bile acids, lowering LDL cholesterol. Studies confirm oats' effectiveness in reducing LDL cholesterol. Amplify benefits with berries, rich in antioxidants and pectin fiber. Pectin binds with cholesterol, while antioxidants protect arteries. A bowl of oatmeal with berries is a delicious, heart-healthy start to your day. Beyond breakfast, beans and lentils are cholesterol-lowering heroes. Rich in soluble fiber, they rival oats in effectiveness. Beans and lentils also provide plant-based protein, reducing saturated fat intake. Swap animal protein for legumes to improve your lipid profile. Nuts like almonds and walnuts offer healthy fats, lowering LDL cholesterol. Walnuts provide omega-3 fatty acids, reducing triglycerides and inflammation. Portion control is key. Enjoy a small handful daily for heart health. Apples and pears are rich in pectin, a cholesterol-lowering fiber. Eat the skin for added fiber and antioxidants. These fruits make convenient, heart-healthy snacks. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel provide omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s lower triglycerides and have anti-inflammatory properties. Aim for 2 servings of fatty fish weekly for heart protection. Choose foods like oats, beans, apples, nuts, and fish for a heart-healthy diet. Food is foundational, but lifestyle habits amplify heart health. Regular, moderate physical activity boosts HDL cholesterol. Aerobic activities increase HDL production, cleaning up LDL cholesterol. Just 30 minutes of exercise most days can raise HDL levels. Exercise lowers triglycerides and modestly reduces LDL cholesterol. It strengthens the heart, improves circulation, and lowers blood pressure. Find an activity you enjoy for sustainable heart health. Start small and gradually increase duration and intensity. Every minute of movement counts toward a healthier heart. Another crucial lifestyle factor that is deeply intertwined with both diet and exercise is managing your weight. Carrying excess body weight, particularly around your midsection, places a significant strain on your entire body and can have a direct and negative impact on your cholesterol levels. This extra weight often leads to higher levels of harmful LDL cholesterol and triglycerides, while simultaneously depressing the levels of protective HDL cholesterol. It creates a perfect storm for cardiovascular issues. However, the good news is that you don't need to achieve a perfect body weight to see substantial benefits. Even a modest amount of weight loss can make a huge difference. Losing just 5 to 10% of your current body weight can lead to a dramatic improvement in your lipid profile. For someone who weighs 200 pounds, that means losing as little as 10 to 20 pounds. This relatively small change can significantly lower your LDL and triglyceride levels, providing immediate relief to your cardiovascular system. The process of losing weight, which typically involves a healthier diet and increased physical activity, naturally incorporates the very habits that are proven to combat high cholesterol. It's a synergistic effect where each positive change amplifies the others, leading to a much healthier internal environment for your heart. Now, let's address a lifestyle choice that acts like a poison to your cardiovascular system: smoking. If you are a smoker, quitting is single-handedly the most important step you can take to protect your heart and improve your cholesterol. The chemicals in tobacco smoke are incredibly damaging to your blood vessels. They contribute to the hardening of the arteries, make your blood stickier and more prone to clotting, and directly lower your good HDL cholesterol. In fact, smoking can lower HDL levels by as much as 15%, severely crippling your body's ability to clean up plaque from your arteries. The moment you quit smoking, your body begins to heal. It's a truly remarkable process. Within just a few weeks of your last cigarette, your HDL cholesterol levels will start to rebound and climb back up. Your circulation improves, your blood pressure may begin to lower, and your risk of a heart attack starts to drop. Over time, the damage begins to reverse. Quitting is undoubtedly challenging, but the rewards for your heart health are immediate and immense. Seeking support from your doctor, support groups, or cessation programs can make all the difference in successfully breaking free from this harmful habit and giving your heart a new lease on life. Alcohol and stress both play major roles in heart health. While light drinking may slightly raise good cholesterol, the risks of excess far outweigh any benefit. Chronic stress raises hormones like cortisol, leading to higher cholesterol and unhealthy habits. Managing stress and drinking in moderation are essential for a healthy heart. Nature's Pharmacy offers gentle, effective remedies for heart health. Garlic, a kitchen staple, supports healthy cholesterol thanks to allicin, especially when crushed or chopped. Green tea, rich in antioxidants like EGCG, helps lower LDL cholesterol and protects arteries. Together, garlic and green tea offer a simple, natural way to support your heart deliciously. Turmeric, a golden hero from your spice rack, contains curcumin, one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories, protecting your arteries and supporting heart health. Add a pinch of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. For cholesterol, psyllium husk is a simple, effective fiber that traps cholesterol and removes it from your body. Combine turmeric and psyllium for a natural boost on your journey to a healthier heart. There are a lot of myths about fats and age that can confuse us. Not all fats are bad. Your body actually needs healthy fats for hormone production, vitamin absorption, and brain health. The key is to choose good fats, like those in olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish, and avoid trans fats and limit saturated fats. And remember, cholesterol isn't just an older person's problem. Heart health matters at every age. Start making smart choices now for a healthier future. The myth that medication is the only answer for high cholesterol is simply not true. For many, lifestyle changes, like eating better and moving more, can be just as powerful. Simple habits like adding fiber, exercising, and managing stress can make a huge difference. Medication is a tool, not the only solution. You have more power than you think. Bust the myth. Take charge of your health, one step at a time. Let me share Sarah's story. A busy professional shocked by high cholesterol, scared of lifelong medication. Instead, she asked for 6 months to try small, natural changes. She started her days with oatmeal and berries, drank cabbage water, and walked daily. Simple, steady steps. 6 months later, her results were astonishing. Sarah's journey proves small, consistent changes can transform your health. What about you? Comment below and share the steps you're taking on your own health journey. We'd love to hear your story.